Bolero. Now let's work on our sounds, okay? So we're gonna learn all the sounds that we use in Haitian rhythm. We have bass, open tone, cloche, which is a ram, CA, open slap, close slap, muff, a bunch of other sounds, okay? We'll learn the basic sounds that we use mostly in, other rhythms that we'll be learning. Let's start with the bass, okay? Really simple, flat hands, and the middle of the drum, okay? So we're gonna start. 1, 2, 3, let's go bass. Okay, flat hands. Faster. Simple. And also sometimes I use my, instead of going flat, sometimes I just go like that, a little bump. 5, 6, woy bass. Okay, so you can use both, whichever one you feel more comfortable with, okay? Nice. So now we're gonna do open tone, the open tone. So we use our fingers, okay? So same position as the bass, but now we're gonna pull back. Okay, so we're gonna stop right there. Boom. So open tone. 5, 6, let's go. Open tone. So you keep your fingers together, but not too tight, okay? Relax. Okay, 5, 6, woy, open. Faster. Open tone. We have bass, open tone. Now we're gonna do the cloche. Cloche, we use the cloche a lot, okay? Once you're playing Haitian rhythm, you're gonna use a lot of cloche, okay? Really important. We call it the rim, okay? Cloche means bell in Creole. Okay, so 3 fingers, so fingertips, we're gonna use our fingertips. Bass, pull back for open, and all the way back for our cloche, okay? 5, 6, woy, cloche. Okay, relax your fingers. Okay, 3 fingertips. Okay, bass in the middle, open, we pull back our fingers, then cloche, fingertips. Nice. Okay, now we're gonna do the muff. Okay, so we have the open, so same position as an open tone. Okay, fingers, but now we're gonna put some pressure on our fingertips. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go muff. So you're pressing, so the same thing as an open tone, but the only difference, you're putting some pressure on your fingers, okay, fingertips, okay, so you're pressing it down, not too hard, okay, just press down, okay, to change the tone, okay, one more time. Woy, let's go, muff. Bass, open, cloche, muff. Now we're gonna do some open slap, okay? So I use my fingertips for my slap, okay? So it's like you're slapping, okay? So let's go. 5, 6, word, snap. Faster. So I use my fingertips for my slap, but I've seen other drummers, you know, using their whole fingers for the slaps, so different techniques. But my slaps, I do them mostly with my fingertips. Okay, that was open slap. Now we're gonna work on our closed slap. Okay, so we have the open slap. Now we're gonna put one bass down to close the slap. Okay, 5, 6, what. Open slap, close slap, nice. Okay, so now we're gonna do our CA. Okay, a lot of people like the sound of CA. We use it a lot, okay, as you know, some rhythm, like it's part of the rhythm, and sometimes you can just use the CA as a variation just to make it sound nice. Okay, CA. So middle fingers, okay, middle fingers. So boom, and you're gonna use your thumb as a support, okay, for the C. Now you're ready, and you're gonna give me some open tone as a vibration, okay. Then you're gonna slide the C, okay. Don't put too much pressure, okay. If you put too much pressure, it's gonna be harder. You're not gonna be able to. But you're gonna need to practice your CA, okay? Because sometimes it's not easy to get it in one day. But if you do, if you practice the CA, then you'll get it, okay? Right? CA. 1, 2, 3, on y va, what? Tone. Get your C ready, what? C. Oh. Nice. And that's it. Once you know these sounds, you know, practice it, make them really nice, really clear, and you're good to go with the rhythms.